You're looking at our 1955 Willys M38A1 Jeep. Mileage is 39,199. Powered by the correct F-head 4-cylinder Willys engine with the original 24-volt electrical system. Driven through a 3-speed manual transmission with 2-speed transfer case and locking hubs. This Jeep starts easily and runs good, the transmission shifts easily, the 4-wheel drive works correctly, and the tires are good. We've not seen any oil leaks from this Jeep. This is an all-around nice Korean War vintage Army Jeep in good condition. Please email us with any questions or to make an appointment to see the vehicle at gllwestllc@gmail.com. Please refer to the event and lot number shown here. Liquidity Services. A better future for surplus.